This 50-year-old convent was drowning in monsoon floods. We had two choices: demolish and rebuild or lift it up. Are you curious to know what was decided? Let's hear a clear description of the project. This 50-year-old plus convent building, belonging to the Franciscan Clarist Congregation situated at Karickamuri, Kochi, Kerala, India, was facing persistent challenges of waterlogging and percolation during the monsoon season, significantly impacting the inmates' quality of life. Consequently, the governing body of the convent deliberated on viable solutions. Two primary options emerged: either to embark on the costly endeavor of demolishing the existing structure and erecting a new building, or to elevate the current edifice to a safer elevation, thereby mitigating the risks posed by seasonal monsoon inundation. After careful consideration, it was determined that demolishing and reconstructing the building would entail substantial financial investment. Consequently, the decision was made to raise the building by 4 feet from its current elevation. This elevation process involved lifting the structure while ensuring structural integrity and reinforcing the foundation to endure the anticipated climatic variations in the years to come. The project was completed and handed over on April 22, 2015. EDSS, we are here to offer you a safe and secure building.